Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we're here at Animal Kingdom and we're here to try all the treats. Hashtag all the treats. And I can't wait because there are a lot of peppermint treats, hence the ears. I'm so excited to be wearing these today. These are from HannahMarieMagic.com. Go check her out, guys. And I cannot wait to try all these yummy, yummy treats. I've been wanting to come for a while, and a lot of them are ice cream. So it's warm enough today to have some ice cream. So let's go. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Heading over to Asia because the first treat is over there near Everest. So that's where we're heading now. So we're back here at the Royal Anandapur, I don't know if I said the right tea company, to see if they have any specialty things for the holidays. Let's go up and check it out. They have a couple of things. I don't think these are for the holidays, but they look delicious. A couple iced teas of the world. Ooh, they got red raspberry tea. That sounds good. Hi. And this is white chocolate coconut. That sounds good. It's a cold brew and a frozen matcha. There's a happy snowman. That's good.
The hot tea.
And I think they have these seasonal ones at all of the Joffreys. Looks good.
Yes, it's
so here is the ice cream truck, and I'm pretty sure that we get the specialty ice cream cone from. So let's go in and check it out. And here's the picture. It's a peppermint soft serve ice cream with candy cane sprinkles. So they have regular soft serve ice cream here. Specialty peppermint soft serve.
15.03 is your change. You can pick that up at the second.
Check it out. So pretty. So I didn't get the cone because they melt so fast when it's soft serve, but look at it. So it is peppermint ice cream with peppermint little sprinkles all over it, and it looks amazing. Let's see if it tastes amazing before it all melts. Give it a try. So good. So, I don't know if you remember, when I was a kid, they had some kind of little, it was like a ice cream, almost like a Mickey bar, but it wasn't, and it was like snowman. It tastes just like this. I don't know if you remember that. I don't know the name of it. If anybody knows, put it in the comments below. You could get them in the freezer section, I think, at the grocery stores. This tastes just like it. I love it. Highly recommend this. If you like peppermint, you're gonna love it. Alright, so that was amazing. I highly recommend this ice cream. The peppermint soft serve here near Everest at the ice cream truck here in Asia. So good. The soft serve was actually kind of creamy, which might not be good for me later, but I did take a lactate, so fingers crossed, but definitely good, especially with the little crunch of the peppermint sprinkled all over it. So good. Anyways, highly recommend that. And I can't wait to try our next one. A lot of things, like I said, are gonna be peppermint. Got my peppermint ears and my snack shirt. So I am all set, and now I think we're gonna head over towards Dinosaur Land, Dino Land. There's another treat over there, and we also have a fast pass. Okay, so I know this has nothing to do with the treats, but I got a fast pass for Dinosaur. Haven't ridden this in a really long time because we cannot do this on the stream very easily. So let's go find that dino.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Hadrosaurus. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Launch control. Identify!
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go! Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian. Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Forget it! Let them out now! Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it! You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you?
Dinosaur is always fun. Love that ride. So glad we got to ride it today. And now we're heading for our next treat, and it's here in Dino Land, so that's convenient. And it's over here, we think, next to Restaurantosaurus at Dino Bites, I believe. So we're gonna head over there and see if that's where it's at. Alright, so we're at Dino Bites. We have a bunch of things. This is the one, double chocolate peppermint ice cream sandwich. So it's vanilla ice cream with a double chocolate cookie rolled in peppermint candy bites. That sounds delicious. So that one looked delicious, but I don't want to chance it on too much ice cream today. So we didn't get that one, but I heard it is amazing. It looks really cool too. But the next one we're gonna get, there's another one here in Dino Land, and it's actually over here in the carnival area. So let's go check that one out. So Primeval World has been down for a while, but back open right now. Don't know how long that'll be. It's going. This is where the next treat is, the Dino Diner. So it's like a little RV looking, what is an RV? Looking restaurant. All right, here is the next treat we got. It is a peppermint chocolate churro. So it's dipped in chocolate and it has peppermint all over it. And we actually got some extra to dip it in, and you get an extra little thing of chocolate. So it looks good. Let's give it a try. Let's try it out. It's good. Churro's a little bit chewy, which I've noticed out here at Disney. But this helps. So yeah, I'm not sure I will get it again. Just because the churro is kind of chewy. But like I said, the chocolate and the peppermint helps. Yeah, it's pretty good, but not my favorite. Kevin! He's excited. What's Kevin doing? Kevin like that.
Go get line.
Hear it up in this tree. Does not want to go back. Alright, so the churro, not the best churro I've ever had, but it wasn't horrible. We did eat it, and the chocolate sauce and the peppermint made it even better. So, you know, if you like churros that are a little bit harder and crunchier, then you might like that one. But the one in Disney Springs that we had with Donna, that was much better. So now we're heading over to Pandora for our next treat. The next treat is in Satuli Canteen. So let's head inside and check it out. I'm so excited for this one. I hope it's as good as it looks. There it is. It looks so good. I can't wait to give it a try. So here it is. It is a white peppermint cream cheese mousse. And it looks amazing. So pretty, almost too good to eat. It is cream cheese, so I might be sorry later, but I am going to sacrifice today. Give it a try. Time to give it a try. I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start, but I'm gonna get some of this peppermint over here because I know Mom doesn't like it, so she's not gonna care. Look at that. A little bit of chocolate cookie dust there. Oh my goodness. Very short. Okay, that's good. It's like peppermint cheesecake. And it's amazing. That is so good. Really rich, really creamy. So I'm gonna probably regret this later. But right now, it's so good. This looks like a little meringue. Oh, I bet it's a peppermint meringue. And I don't think Mom's gonna care, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, it's meringue. I don't think it's peppermint though. It's like a cookie meringue. That was deceiving because it was like red and white like peppermint. Alright, let's give it one more bite. On the inside I figured there would be a little bit more to it, but no, it's just cream cheese and little cookie bottom, looks like, and the mousse on top. I wonder if this is peppermint. Let's give it this little part back here. If it is, it's not very strong peppermint. This has a lot of peppermint. Okay, so I got some with hardly any peppermint right here, and it's not as pepperminty then, this back part. So Mom will be excited about that. But I highly, highly recommend this if you're going to be here in Animal Kingdom. This is here in Pandora at the Satuli Canteen. It's amazing. I love it. Alright guys, well that is it for our video today, trying out the snacks here at Animal Kingdom for Christmas. They were all really, really good, the ones that we tried. My favorite though was the peppermint soft serve ice cream. Love that so very much. I would get that over and over and over again. So good. But close second was the peppermint cheesecake at Satuli. And then the churro was pretty good as well. You know, the chocolate with the peppermint helped it out some. So I liked them all, really. Pretty good. And that cookie looked really good as well. The chocolate cookie with the vanilla ice cream dipped in the peppermint. That looked really good as well. So give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/NarakiRealtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV1 sent you. And check out cordcuttersnews.com. They can help you save money on your cable bill and save some money for Disney. So check out cordcuttersnews.com or on youtube.com/cordcuttersnews. And leave us a comment down below which one of the items you thought you would love to try if you were here. So which one looked really good to you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.